Hi, today we are going to talk about the topic about how SMT might hold the key to slowing down the aging process. In the pursuit of unlocking the secrets of extending human lifespan and promoting healthspan, there's a hidden hero residing in your gut, microbiomes. As excitements grow for innovative ways to combat aging, scientists have delved into the gut in our body. Recent research suggests that SMT might hold the key to slowing down the aging process. This procedure involves transferring beneficial bacteria from the feces of healthy donors into recipients, fostering a diverse and beneficial microbiome within the gut. Our lecturer mentioned how CSFAs produced by the microbacteria help in maintaining gut bacteria integrity and modulating inflammatory responses throughout the body. This helps in preventing chronic disease associated with aging and promotes a healthier immune system. The study detailed how aging leads to changes in the gut microbacteria composition, which in turn affect immune system, a concept likely discussed across various sections. So I have a couple of questions. First, we have talked about how all those amazing stuff on how microbiome intervention might work through alternating immune response and increasing host bacteria. However, have we conducted any relevant clinical trials yet animals to prove its efficacy?
Yes, scientists have performed testings on germ-free progeroid mice and also human beings with cancer. So basically, progeroid syndrome is a genetic deficit that leads to incorrect DNA repair, and they result in age-related symptoms that develop very early in those patients. And also, they have found that 4-month-old diseased mice had a loss in acromentia compared to their healthy counterparts. And also, acromentia is basically a health-related bacteria and can reduce inflammation. And also, they did FMT from healthy donors to progeroid mice, and they found that improved health span and lifespan and delayed accelerated aging phenotypes.
Okay, the results are promising indeed. But is there any limitations you want the public to know before getting excited about the results?
Yes, the sample size of the mice was really small, and each group was like no more than 50 individuals. And furthermore, the use of mice models to study human aging syndromes may not fully capture human physiology because mice possess longer telomeres.
Great, thank you so much for your explanation on our current animal study on microbiome intervention. We want to ask if any of the studies involved human beings as subjects for clinical trials.
Yes, it has long been speculated that healthy elders possess more health-induced microbiome compared to those unhealthy individuals. In a study conducted by Chen and their team, researchers transplanted feces of long-living humans into germ-free mice. The results were exciting. The experimental group exhibited greater alpha diversity and traits indicating better immune response and more health-related bacteria. Moreover, these mice display lower levels of aging-related markers, and these traits are associated with decreased oxidative stress and cellular senescence. However, the study again was done in a very small number of populations, 10 each group, and also they did not do a long-term tracking of the recipients.
Okay, thank you for talking about another successful clinical trial. But have scientists done anything to improve human health using microbiome from another group of human beings?
Yes, researchers have found that certain microbiome population is associated with better response to immunotherapy in cancer patients. So what they are doing is they transplanted feces from 7 donors who responded well to the therapy to 16 melanoma patients who had no prior response to the therapy. And among these people, 6 people showed response. And they all had twice as long overall survival period. From the MRI image below, we can also see the tumors got smaller after 12 or 20 cycles for those people who exhibited partial or complete response to the therapy. And they also found that cytokines associated with resisting the therapy got lower the level for those people who responded to the therapy after transplantation. And also, definitely the study involved a very small clinical population, and also which kind of makes it hard to generalize to all populations, especially healthy individuals. And these peripheral findings indicate a more thorough experiment needs to be done to investigate the discrepancy between responders and non-responders. And also, does fecal transplantation have other adverse effects? We don't really know. So based on the findings from these experiments, FMT has shown promising results in reducing aging-related markers, enhancing health span. However, further research is needed to be done to address underlying concerns and optimize the clinical application. We generally don't recommend healthy individuals to go through FMT at this point. I suggest you guys wait for more promising clinical trials, like more larger scale clinical trials to be done, and you definitely have to consult your doctor before going to FMT directly. And thank you guys so much for listening. This is the end of our episode today.